Hello everyone. As many of you may be aware, the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act was passed in 2013. It is a law which talks about prevention, prohibition and redressal of sexual harassment. So even though the law was passed in 2013, even now there is one question that we are always asked. What is sexual harassment? Is flirting sexual harassment? Is taking someone out for coffee sexual harassment? Is asking someone for a date sexual harassment? Is looking at someone sexual harassment? And lots of questions like these. The reason for this is because sexual harassment has been defined under section 2 of the law. However, the definition is a very broad one. It states that anything which is unwelcome to the recipient, that is going to be considered as sexual harassment. That's why this particular term is a very subjective term. What subjective means is that it is dependent on what each person feels, what the recipient feels. So, for example, if I have a set of feelings and boundaries, I decide whether a particular behavior is sexual harassment for me or not. However, the law definitely has given certain pointers that one needs to keep in mind, which will be clear examples of sexual harassment. And now that all of us are working from home, most of us at least, now and probably even for some more time in the coming months, will be working from home. The definition of sexual harassment still remains the same. It is just that the mode of communication is the only thing that has got altered, and we still need to be aware of what the term sexual harassment would mean and what it may look like in the work context. And that is why this particular session is being scheduled, so that all of you can understand what these terms look like and also understand some of the rights and duties under law, so that we know what it is that we should be doing in terms of the rights that we have, and also what our duties would look like. So we hope to see you there, and I would look forward to having an engaging discussion and to interact with all of you. So see you.